Hey guys, so obviously I have no makeup on, but I was gonna do a little apartment tour. So this is our apartment. It's something super simple. We had like huge apartments when we lived in the valley, but in this small town they don't have all that. So it's kind of whatever we can get, and we're just happy that it's our own, and it's our own space for baby girl, me, my husband. If you guys don't know, we lived with my parents for almost 2 years now, because we were trying to save for a house, and my husband ended up moving jobs, and we just haven't been able to get the house. But we wanted our own space finally, so I wanted to film it because I want to do like decorating videos and stuff like that. So let me show you guys. It's super, humble. It's our humble little apartment, but I'm so excited to decorate it and make it our home. So let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the entrance, and that is a big window out to the balcony. And this is the living room. It does not have a light, which I don't understand why, but so it's carpet, which I really like. This is the entrance, and here we have a closet, which I love. There's so much storage in this house, in this apartment. We can put like our coats or whatever. You know what, I'm thinking of making this like a mud room situation because it's right next to the door, so I really like that for that. So this is the living room. So I don't know, we're not sure. I'm probably gonna hang the TV here. The couch, we don't have couches because when we moved we sold them, so we're gonna have to get a new whole setup. My idea for this living room is that my makeup is probably gonna be here. My studio makeup part is probably gonna be here because we only have 2 rooms and baby girl's gonna have her own. So this is gonna be a couch office situation. Not sure, but we'll see. And then over here we have the dining room. There's a pretty little light up there. Super simple, the carpet's clean. Her dining table will go here. I do want to get a new dining table, but it's gonna be a while before we do that. So I don't know if I ever showed you guys my dining table, but we're gonna bring that. And this is the kitchen. I honestly do not like the brown, but that's the way these apartments are. But I love this little bar area because I can decorate like up here with like cute little stuff for like Easter, and I can put some bar stools or something. And there's a sink. I'm out of breath because I am upstairs. So our stove, our fridge, and this is the pantry, which I love because it has so much storage. So I love this. There's a hallway and a heater, and this is another closet, which I'm obsessed because I want to put so much stuff in these closets because I have so much crap. This is gonna be baby girl's room. Super cute. Obviously it's just white. The windows, I'm gonna put some curtains on there. She has pink curtains, and this is her closet. You guys, I feel like it's like nothing special, but I'm gonna show you guys like the empty, I want to show you guys the empty tour of the apartment. Hello, this is the restroom. It's the same as the kitchen. I love it. It's so clean, and I can't wait to like fix it up and put some cute stuff. And this, I love that it has this little like what is it, like a storage little door. And I love this mirror, you guys. I'm gonna take selfies and OOTDs, but because I don't have a long like mirror, so this will definitely come in handy. You see? Okay, anyways. This is our room. It's so much bigger than the room we have now, so I'm not sure if I will have my our stuff and my makeup in here, which I doubt it because I don't want the clutter in my room. And since we don't have a couches right now, it's just gonna be in the living room for now. But we have a closet, and it's a big closet, but it has 2 doors. But I'm kind of obsessed with this because It's a whole ass walk-in closet. I'm even thinking of just putting my makeup on one half, but I don't know if that'll be enough room for all the clothes. But I'm gonna figure that out a little bit, because I kind of feel like we can fit all the clothes here on one side, and then let me show you guys. And probably maybe do like a makeup, like my makeup room here. I don't know. We'll see. You guys are gonna follow me on this little journey. I love that it's a walk-in closet. Let me turn off the light before, because we're gonna move in some stuff today. So let me show you guys from over here. So this is, I'm like in the corner, these are the closets, the door. I don't know how we're gonna set this up. Probably the TV here and the bed over here. Something. But I'm so excited. So yeah, guys, this is my empty apartment tour. I've always wanted to do this in my other apartments, and I never did, which I should have, because those apartments were beautiful. But and so we're excited, and I can't wait to decorate and to show you guys, because I have so many ideas for like DIYs and shit that I want to do. So I'm so excited, you guys. My husband's not here, so I can't really do like a thing with him, but whenever he comes home, I will try to do a video of him talking about it and see if he wants to, because you know he never likes doing any of that. But yeah, I'm gonna take my thumbnail or something with like my keys. But I hope you guys have a good day. This is a super quick like video, but I wanted to show you guys before I put my furniture in here, because we're bringing all my stuff right now. I'm gonna bring all my makeup, so I'm so excited. So I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.